case is going to be Uncle Dave, because I'm the fun uncle. The Funkle.
Yeah.
Funkle. I bet that's where they got that from, you know, Funko Pops, Funkle. I'm the fun uncle, right? Today we're going to be covering some Nerf things. We're going to have a lot of fun here in between each Nerf thing. Carter's going to teach us a Fortnite dance. So ignore the Fortnite. They wanted to create a fort, so we got some blankets together, piled it up, and I guess we're going to kind of demonstrate some tactics with the Nerf guns, with the fort, and show you guys these amazing 3D prints that we just put together really quick to add on to your Nerf little special attachments. And let's go ahead and get started. We do that. The first one we want to cover is the Nerf Zombie Strike, the Sledge Fire. Now, we got this, and we had so many requests. Folks were saying they lost their shells. Hey, we lost our shells. And I could see how that can be possible. So what it is you actually load in 3 darts. You pop it inside your gun, pull the trigger, it fires it out. So I said, well, let's go ahead and make a 3D print. So I created multiple prototypes. Guys, here, let's grab all these. Let's show them what we made. We made all these, so many different models there. I made them with the little pins inside there. You can see it. We also got the little railings on the back. If you look closely here, you can see the original. So the original there has the 3 pins in the inside. It has the holes around each one for the air restrictor, and you have those on the back. So I created an exact replica of this, well, what I thought was of that, and no bueno. Did not fire, did not work. And I created multiple other prototypes without the pins inside, with that on the back. These still didn't work, guys. So all of these here, and some of them were actually a tad bit shorter, a couple millimeters shorter. No luck there. So Carter's going to go ahead and demonstrate what all of these did, except for the original, of course. So go ahead and load us up, Carter. And that's it. And that's what would happen.
And it's only 2 bullets. And it only fired 2 bullets. The third one.
Go ahead and try the silver one here. And guys, out of all these prototypes, I actually found one and it was working. And I was going through so many, I didn't save it. This actually worked. My dog got a hold of it.
Dave, nothing.
So as you see, it didn't work. But your boy stayed at it non-stop, and I was like, we're gonna get this. So let's show you what we came up with. This one, it almost looks identical to these, but it's slightly off. I changed a couple of the specs inside, increased it a couple millimeters. I also changed the backing for it. So Carter, let's go ahead and try this one. And these actually shoot better than the original shells that come with the Nerf guns. We wanted to, she likes the big guns, so of course she can't really handle it that well. You see it's kind of like a little awkward here, so I was like, I got the perfect thing. We'll go ahead and we'll create a little stock handle there. Boom. So your boy printed this out, so now you can be able to grip that gun a lot better and actually shoot her Fun Uncle Dave. It'll just simply slide right in. There's also a pin there, so you can go ahead and tighten. So now you can actually handle the big guns there. You like the big guns? Mm-hmm. Is that comfortable? Mm-hmm. You like it? So next up, we wanted to create something where we could actually play at night. We have a pretty big house. We're down here in the dungeon, and I'm not sure what Nadia's doing over there, but we wanted to be able to turn the lights out and just Nerf each other up. But we don't want the kids to get hurt. So we figured, let's create the attachment, print it out, put it onto the gun, which can actually hold a light. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this, Carter. You want to put that on there?
It'll go flashing or regular. And then at night we can do this, and it has like aim right there too. So you can aim, and then you can shoot. Because
Cool.
this is pretty much like this. So it pretty much aims for you. So you know where it's going and you can shoot at them.
Cool. Cool things is this is very snug. It was a little tight fit getting that on there, but that's fantastic for this gun. Why? If your kids are running around and they're playing, it's not going to fall off. You can swing this thing around, it's not coming off. And you can slide it down, you just got to add a little strength into it there, but it will slide back and forth to your comfort. So that's one of the cool things. It's actually a perfect fit and will fit any top rail gun for your Nerfs. One of my favorites. These guns are really cool. They're powerful. They got a lot of kick to it, right, Carter? You want to go ahead and show them? You could give me a warning. What to do was kind of capture these moments as well. So I thought a 3D print that could actually hold a GoPro would be ideal. So we got this little device right there, and you just simply pop the GoPro right on top there and put the little pin in to hold it in. Nada, you want to show us how that goes on there? Nice. So you can see this one also has a nice snug fit, so it's not going to pop off. Your GoPro's not going to go flying. Your GoPro just simply slides right down on top of there, and then you can actually capture those moments. There you have it. Those are a few mods. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
We need to do some damage now, all right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do some damage. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's your boy Dave, Mad DIY, signing out till next time. Peace.